pink and orange with a bit of swirl in the middle. This is for the same customer I just turned the purple mesh pen for. We're going to do the same design, as this is getting sent to a friend as a gift. So let's begin. So now that we've got it into a cylinder shape, what I'm going to do is do some markings in the middle where we want the divots, and then on the other side I'm going to shape it and finalise the ends so they're a bit smoother and rounder, and then hopefully it'll just be sanding after that. So what I'm going to do is put a mark in the middle, two very close to that, and then another one further apart, just so that it has two little rings and then a bigger one next to it on each side. And then I'm going to indent this a little bit so that it fits better in the hand. So I hope you've enjoyed watching the video so far. Stay tuned to see the final product. Hiya. So we have had a back and forth with the customer for this pen. I did it slightly too fat and I sent her a picture just to see whether she liked it or not. As the person she's actually getting it for likes thinner pens, we went a little bit thinner. So now that it's in the rough shape that we want and it's got its detail on, we're about to sand it down and then micro mesh it, where this pen will come to life. This is the final piece. It's now sanded and micro meshed. As you can see, it's got a lovely shine to it. I personally love this pen. It reminds me of like a phoenix. Let me know in the comments below whether you agree. It's very pink and yellow, a bit red in there. I like that bit personally. I like the swirls. So thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe. Hit the bell notification for any notifications when I upload new videos. I hope you like this pen. See ya.